Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr.laowai-English Tech. Today we are taking a deep dive into the newest flagship from OnePlus, the OnePlus 12. So let's get started. Now taking a look at the body design, OnePlus has stuck with a premium feel. The device boasts a metal frame, giving it a sturdy build. Up top you will find an ear blaster, microphone and a stereo speaker, while the bottom houses another microphone, another stereo speaker, a Type-C charging port and the SIM card tray. It has IP68 water resistance and it also has the signature OnePlus alert slider, which allows you to easily switch between silent, vibrant and ring modes. It's got a weight of around 220 grams, measuring 163.3 mm in length and 75.8 mm in width. And let's not forget that beautiful corning Gorilla glass with dust protection on the back for that extra durability. Moving on to the battery, the OnePlus 12 packs a punch with its lithium polymer 5400 mAh battery. Charging is lightning fast with a 100-watt adapter, but nowadays others flagship phones offers a 120-watt fast charger. Anyway, if you prefer wireless charging, it supports 50-watt speed. And did I mention the 10-watt reverse wireless charging? You can fully charge this beast in just 26 minutes. Now let's talk about the display. The OnePlus 12 features a stunning 6.82-inch curved AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, boosts a peak brightness of 4500 nits. It's definitely one of the best displays on the market right now because this offers 4500 nits peak brightness and a pixel density of 510 ppi. The resolution stands at 1440 by 3168 pixels, all protected by corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. On the software side, things are a bit different depending on where you purchase the phone. The Chinese variant comes with ColorOS 14, while the global variant will have Origin OS 14. Both versions offer a smooth and user-friendly experience, but Origin OS is typically preferred by hardcore OnePlus fans. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Adreno 750. It promises a smooth user experience. You will also get UFS 4.0, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type 3.2 and OTG support. For selfie enthusiasts, the OnePlus sports a 32-megapixel front camera, supporting 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 and 60 fps, thanks to the Sony IMX615 sensor. Let's move to the rear camera setup. This device is equipped with a powerful array, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro lens, and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with HDR, panorama, and the legendary Hazard Blade touch. While shooting video, it can handle 4K at 30 and 60 fps and 8K at 24 fps. I do want to mention a slight hiccup during video recording. When zooming out, there seems to be a bit of distortion. I tried few times but still the footage gets a bit choppy and pixelated, which is something that hopefully will be addressed in a future software update.
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain.
Wrapping it up, the OnePlus 12 comes in 3 elegant colors: black, green and silver, and offers 4 variants. The base model 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage is priced at 4,300 yuan, roughly 607 USD. I converted this price from Google, so you can check it out again. If you are looking for the top tier 24GB RAM plus 1TB storage variant, it will set you back 5,800 yuan, approximately 820 USD. And that concludes our review of the OnePlus 12. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Mr. Lao-English Tech and ring that notification bell to stay updated. We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and goodbye.